Hi guys, it's Aris here from DS Security Services. We install here in Matrix in Greenstone the alarm system. So let me show you where we put the keypad. There is a keypad for alarm. We put it here. The wiring, and this is a door contact because it's like two gates for sliding. So we put here the two door contacts. And here we put one passive for the entrance, and one passive we put it here, so you're covering all shop. And let me show you one passive we put it here by the kitchen. Right, so here we put everything, the PC board, siren, and here is the power supply for the alarm. And here also we put the door contact. Remember you were saying the two door contact, but we put three because this is also important for the emergency exit. Okay, so this is for the alarm we done. And for the electric, let me show you what we did here. So we take the power from here. Right, we put the trunk for this table, for the reception or the computers. There we put one plug, there is another one, and there is another one. So it's three plugs we put it. And also here we take the wire also from here for this desk. This is another one. So we connect it on those plugs also here. All those plugs also working. We did test it everything. And for this side also we connect. So we take the power from here, right, and this is the one also we install. So total we put for the four of them, the new one we supply and install, and we connect also those plugs, all of them, all that is working. And the last thing, we did connect also for this warning sign for the outside. Right, so those guys they just put it, so we just did connect it, So everything is fine, working 100%. And here we put also the zone, so you know which one is that, right? The front door is that front door is for the door contacts, and for the I put the front for the entrance PIR, that is the entrance PIR, right? When you enter it, the corner one we put it by the corner PIR, and the kitchen for the PIR, and for the kitchen door means is exit. And also another thing, we put also emergency, the panic button, so panic button, there is it under the desk, right? So this is a panic button also we put it. All right, thank you so much.